Hey everyone, welcome back to Castapod 2M. I'm your host, and today we're diving into the exciting world of making money online in 2024. Whether you're in the US, UK, Europe, or anywhere else, there are plenty of opportunities waiting for you. Best of all, you don't need any initial investment. Let's jump right in. First up, we have freelancing platforms. These are gold mines for anyone with skills to offer. Websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer connect freelancers with clients worldwide. Whether you're a writer, graphic designer, programmer, or have any other skill, there's a demand for your expertise. Create a killer profile, showcase your work, and start earning. Now let's talk about e-commerce and drop shipping. Platforms like Shopify and Amazon make it easier than ever to start your own online store without holding inventory. Find a niche, do some market research, and you're on your way to building a profitable online business. The best part? Minimal upfront costs. Next on our list is affiliate marketing. It's like earning commissions for being a brand ambassador. Find products or services you genuinely love, sign up for affiliate programs, and promote them through your content. Whether you have a blog, YouTube channel, or social media presence, this strategy can generate passive income. Moving on to online courses and digital products. With the demand for online education skyrocketing, platforms like Udemy and Teachable allow you to create and sell your courses. Share your knowledge, skills, and expertise while earning a steady income. It's a win-win. If you're creative, consider selling stock photos, videos, or other digital content. Websites like Shutterstock and Adobe Stock provide a platform for you to monetize your artistic skills. Build a portfolio, upload your work, and let the royalties roll in. Now let's talk about real estate crowdfunding. Platforms like Fundrise and Realty Mogul enable you to invest in real estate without huge capital. Diversify your portfolio, earn potential returns, and become a part of the real estate market without the traditional barriers. If you prefer a more traditional approach, explore remote work opportunities. Many companies now offer flexible work arrangements. Websites like Remote OK and Flex Jobs can connect you with remote job listings, allowing you to work from the comfort of your home or anywhere in the world. Lastly, let's delve into cryptocurrency and online trading. The financial market is evolving, and with platforms like Coinbase and Finance, you can dip your toes into cryptocurrency trading. Keep in mind the risks, but for those who understand the market, it can be a lucrative venture. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide on how to make money online in 2024 without any initial investment. The key is to diversify your income streams and find what works best for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and ring the notification bell. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, happy online earning!